Okay, we're going to now create a simple rotating object, and I'm going to use Animate CC. You might be on Flash Pro or Flash S4, but it's all basically the same. There's just a few more gadgets with Animate CC. So the first thing that we're going to do is let's think about spinning a circle. So before, I'm going to create a new layer and call this circle. And so on this layer, I'm going to put a green circle on it. So that's the first thing. The next thing we have to do is we have to create a symbol which will go into our library, and it's an object that we can use over and over. So I can go up here to the select tool and select it, and convert to symbol, so that, or you can do Command F8, and we're going to call this circle, and we'll leave it as a movie clip, and the registration will be in the center. So that means that where this rotates is going to be on the center of this object. Okay, so that's gone into our library as a movie clip. This little icon here means movie, and what's on the stage is the instance of the movie clip. Alright, so let's make this baby spin now. So instead of using 24 frames per second, which is kind of normal, we're going to make this rotate a bit more than that and double it. So we'll go to here. Now we're going to have to put frames or little container boxes all the way through this. So we can either F5 this or insert on the timeline frames, and you'll get this dark gray line. And then from here, we'll click on that, and we're going to convert it into a symbol. Sorry, we're going to motion tween it. What am I thinking? And insert motion tween. Okay, and you'll get this blue line. So now we're going to go to our rotation tool, and we're going to rotate it. So we click on 3D rotation. However, we could also translate it. So under here you've got a 3D translation tool, which we'll go into later, but we're just going to rotate this around. And when we rotate, we get these different axes that we talked about in another lesson. So we've got the X, which actually runs, so it's that red line, but it actually, when we spin this, it's going to spin it around the axis which goes left to right. And I'll show you. So it's spinning our circle left to right. If I want to then spin longitudinally, I can spin this around the up and down axes. If I want to draw it out, so we know that our z-axis comes out from a flat plane out to us, that's on our orange axes. Okay, so we'll leave it at that. Now all we have to do from here, I've spun it around a bit, is do Command Return on a Mac, and we've made a simple Swift file that's spinning it.